Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have admin access and an active network connection. This saves time when adding adapters. Once ready, press Win+I or click Start Right Arrow Settings to open System Preferences. From there, navigate directly to Network and Internet. Make sure you select the VPN subsection. You do this because Windows centralizes VPN controls there, and it lets you add or inspect providers. Now that settings is open and focused on network and internet, move to add a new VPN profile. You click Add a VPN connection and choose Windows, built-in to keep things straightforward. This avoids third-party software complexity. Enter the server name or IP, pick the VPN type matching your provider, ICAV2 for stability, or use the provider's app for OpenVPN, and supply username and password or certificate. Once done, save the profile and enable Connect automatically if you want a persistent route. Make sure to test the credentials now, because incorrect types or credentials are the most common causes of failed connections. You select the newly created profile and click Connect. Once connected, verify by checking your IP with ipconfig or an external site to confirm traffic routes through the VPN. If it fails, retrace steps. Confirm credentials, server address, and that the chosen VPN protocol matches the provider's instructions. If problems persist, restart the network adapter, temporarily disable the firewall or antivirus that may block tunnels, and try again. One quick troubleshooting tip: switch protocol, for example to ICAV2, to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.